Alright, I'm back with Subduels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and would like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video, or want to join the edopro tournament, see the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Alright, and do it!
Okay.
Alright, I'll go first. Come on, heart of the cards. Heart of the cards. First, I'll activate Numeron network. Got a new deck here, guys, and I'll activate effect. I will Numeron calling. What does that do? You can send one normal. You can send one Numeron normal spell that meets its activation conditions from your deck to the graveyard. This effect becomes that spell's effect. When that card is activated, you can only use this once per turn. You can activate the effect of Numeron XYZ monsters without detaching materials. So Numeron calling. If Numeron network is in your field and you have no monsters, special summon up to 4 Numeron Gate XZ monsters from your extra deck with different names, but banish them during the end phase. You can also you can only normal summon or special summon once for the rest of the turn. So I'll do number 4, number 2, and number 3, and that's about it. And then I will XZ Shoken in defense. Number S0 Utopic Zexel. And Garo Seto. Turnendo. Draw phase, I'll activate Utopic Zexel, and I will detach number 4. Oh wow. Twin Twister discarded machine dupe. That was a chain too. Alright. Now when I detached, once per turn during your opponent's turn, quick effect, you can detach one XYZ material from this card. Your opponent's cards and effects cannot be activated this turn. But you chained Twin Twister. You could still normal summon, or you could kaiju him.
Kaiju!
Hers. Oh. Yep. Maritech Fortress. 1 Savage Dragon plus 1 Machine Monster. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Oh, I can't even do that. No. Oh, wow. Yeah, because there's only... Alright, that's okay, because I got another one in my hand. Numeron Network. Activate effect. Numeron calling. Why do I keep saying Numeron? Numeron. I'll do 1, 2, 3, and 4. 3, 2, 1, and then 4. Then I'll go to battle. Number 3, attack. Come here, Tech Fortress Dragon. I'll take, but then I'll activate its effect. Cannot be destroyed by battle. At the end of the damage step, if this card battles an opponent's monster, you can detach one material from this card, double the attack of all Numeron monsters you control until the end of the turn. I have no attachments, but Numeron network. Number 2, attack. Activate effect. Numeron network. Double. Number 1, direct. 4K. Number 4, finish him. All right. On to the next one.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't even made a side deck for this.
Me neither. I don't side deck with this deck. I'm sorry to say, I never have. All right, let's see here. Don't know why I went first, but hey.
Cosmic Compass. Oh, not using its effect. Link for Karibo. Monster Reborn. Machine Duplication. Cosmic Compass. Up to 2. All right. All right. Platinum Gadget. Fernando. Okay. All right. Oh. Trading. Discard 1 level 8. Draw 2. Kaiju. Gamma Seal. All right. Gonna have to Gamma Seal your Karibo and Terraforming. Add 1 field spell, which is Numeron Network. Activate Numeron Network. Activate its effect. Numeron Calling. I'll do number 4, number 1, number 2, and number 3. All in attack. I'm gonna go to battle. Number 3, attack. Gamma Seal. I'll take some damage. Cannot be destroyed. Activate effect. After the damage step. What? At the end of the damage step. I could detach, but since Numeron Network is there, I don't have to detach anything. Number 2, attack Gamma Seal. I'll take some, but then I'll double. Gamma Seal. Number 1, destroy Gamma Seal. You'll take some, And then at the end, still get to double. 8,000 attack down. Number 4, destroy platinum gadget. That game? That is game right
Nope.
there, folks.
Oh,
That
that
is,
is. Damn.
yep, that is game. Alright, Gangster of Games, thank you for the duel.
Mm-hmm.
And sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.